This is Mike from MPC Stuff. We actually got some inquiries recently about how to install the 5000 RAM. It's very simple, so we really didn't think about making a video. However, there is a certain trick to it. As you can see, we sell the Akai branded ones. There are some companies out there that sell ones that are remanufactured, but ours are the Akai version, which also fits the Alesis Fusion 6 HD and the Fusion 8 HD. So we're gonna open it up. All right, see, it has one side that is a little longer than the other in between these two. I don't think the aftermarket ones have that. They're all just one little piece. This one does. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our MPC on the bottom side. We have a piece of foam under here to kind of save the knobs and everything like that. You don't want to put it on a hard surface and end up messing something up. So we're going to take these two screws out and pull this door off. You're going to see on the inside there's two little receptacles for this. It won't let you put this in because this is longer here the incorrect way. So you're only going to be able to put it in one way, and you're going to put it on top inside these little holders. It's a little bit weird to get your fingers in there, but once you get it slid in, you'll be able to see, or be able to feel it. There we go. Now that we have it on there, you're just gonna go ahead and press it down. Once we have it pressed down, we're gonna just do the opposite. We're gonna put our door back on. Put our screws back in. And that's it. We're gonna turn our unit on, and now when it's loading, you're gonna see here, it's gonna go through the Stream engine, it's gonna tell us the RAM. The unit comes with 64, and now we've upped it. Now we see the 192 megabytes on that front page.